morning to respected all dignitaries. Today with a group members of archery board team, Aishman Yadav,
Pritesh Gupta,
Arva Vibhav,
Daksh Patel.
grant you a warm welcome to our robotics project archery board. Today I will tell you about the components and efforts that we use to make our project archery board. Now I will tell you about the components of our archery board. Here we have made a strong and safe base for our project archery board. Here we also have presented some ammo stand for the ammo placing, and we have also some place for the protection of the project archery board. I will tell you what are these brown tape and black tape. This brown tape acts as the border for the shooting area of the archery board, and this black tape is the path for the arrow shooting area. Now I will tell you what are these 80, 160 and etc. These are the centimeters that can be shoot by the distance covered by the angles. Now I will tell you about this chart. We have made this chart on the topic projectile motion. Now I will tell you about this chart. Here we have used some sticks to give it a 3D look. Here we have made a bend upward and backward and this side. So this is named as Z axis, Y axis and X axis. For the formula of X axis is U cos theta and the formula of Y axis is U sin theta. Now I will tell you about my project, how it works. First we will on our brake. Now we will push it forward and lead this rubber backward and take an arrow from it, and now we are ready to shoot. So it will reach to the target presented over there. Now I will tell about this chart presented. There is a projectile motion example for the projectile motion chart. The here are very like on which angle it will cover the distance. Now I will tell you about this chart. This is all the same as the second chart, but it have a different look, like it is shooting a cannon. Now I will tell you about the third chart. It is for the games like playing javelin throw, badminton throw and shot put. Now my teammate Aragarwal S will tell you about the projectile motion.
Now I will tell you about the projectile motion of archery board. When an object is thrown or launched at an angle, it follows a curved path called a trajectory. This is because two forces are acting on an object. The forces which push it forward and the force of gravity which pulls it down. As the object moves, the horizontal and vertical speed remains same constant, but the vertical speed changes due to the gravitational force. The combination of horizontal and vertical will tell you about the curved path which we see. Now my teammate Hridash will give you more information of the crafting and building.
Now I will give you more information about the crafting and building of our board. First, let's start from the base. In the base, here we have used a ball cursor, and here we have used a small U channel for connecting it to the base. And here we have used two rectangular plates and two long U channels for aligning it. In the back, we have used two wheels and two low torque motors connected with inch axles, and these are powered by the brains, and the brains is getting powered by the help of the battery. Now let's come up. Here we had made a stand-like structure, and here we have used a high torque motor, a small gear, a medium gear, and a large gear. This is for the up and down movement of our archery machine. And here we have also made a stand for the support of it. Now let's come to our archery machine or shooting mechanism. Here we have used a high torque motor, a medium gear, and a large gear for the launching of the dart. And here we have used a square plate, and here we have used a U channel. Here we have used two L channels, and here we have used two square plates and a long U channel. And here we have used a protector for the projectile motion. Now my teammate Daksh Patil will tell you the future benefits and conclusion of our archery board.
Now I will tell you the further benefits and the future of archery board. As we look to the future of archery, it's clear that the archery board is poised to play a major role in shaping the sport with its unparalleled precision, flexibility, and analytical capabilities. This remarkable device will surely revolutionize the way we practice, compete, and enjoy archery. In conclusion, Archery Bot serves as a useful and a helpful product for experienced archers as well as the beginners, with providing guidance, feedback, and opportunities. By different scenarios, it allows the user to improve consistency. Thank you.